I got a hot take on that first quarterback.
Yeah.
Aaron Rodgers, he's just great. I'm just saying.
I'll let you guys.
I'm just saying. We're not gonna fucking put him on Tom Brady and Joe Montana on their level.
But he can go below them. He can go legendary.
No.
Yeah.
Come on
yeah,
now.
you weren't even born yet when fucking Joe won all his rings.
Hey, he got 5 on. He got 5 out of the one. He got 5 out of the one. Come on now.
Your daddy.
Are we just saying that this dude is on their fucking level? Are we saying he's on their level? Do you have this guy on Peyton Manning's level?
No, because I Peyton Manning on the level above.
Okay, but this guy has 1 Super Bowl. We had this guy.
Yeah, that's why he's in legendary, not in GOAT.
Okay, no, he can be at great. He's not legendary.
He is legendary.
1 fucking ring. Dude, no, this motherfucker can be in the great because of his regular season. Peyton Manning is one of the best regular season quarterbacks of all time, but he backed it up in the playoffs. Aaron Rodgers lost to who? He lost to Jimmy G twice. He has lost to fucking Colin Kaepernick, and then he just lost to a rookie-ass quarterback.
Is he cooking?
Don't act like the
Hashtag Mary.
fucking Rodgers not being legendary. He has 5 fucking MVPs.
That is true.
And 1
He's
Super
legendary.
Bowl.
He has one of the greatest seasons ever. What was it, Caesar? Is it 48 touchdowns?
48 and 5. Holy shit.
That's
One
so
Super Bowl to back
I
it up.
forgot about that. Holy
I don't
shit.
give a fuck about Super Bowl.
Crazy.
He's so insane.
You don't give it. That's what you're. That's what you play football for. Not MVP.
Yeah, but that doesn't.
Why are you talking about you can go win you another MVP? You should be thinking, hey, let's go win another Super Bowl.
Let him cook.
This is what separates Tom Brady and Joe Montana to Aaron Rodgers.
But that's there's still another tier. It's not like I'm putting him in the top tier.
Let's go win another MVP instead of
No.
hey, let's go win another Super Bowl.
Man.
Wait, so is Dan Marino not legendary either?
Yeah. Yes, thank
why
you.
I don't-
Where are we putting on Drew Luck?
Limited period of success. He could have been super good, but the fucking Colts waited way too long to build that line.
He should have been a borderline Hall of Famer.
Who the
Is that
fuck is
Archie? Is that Archie? He's
That's
Hall of Fame.
No, he's not.
What? Yes, he is, dumbass. Are you good?
I don't want him to be. I don't care if he's in the Hall of Fame. He shouldn't be. Okay, as an actual quarterback,
This dude was overrated, I'm not gonna lie.
put him in Hall of Fame with fucking Archie then.
Yeah, probably.
Ben.
Limited periods of success.
No, he has, bro. He's
Damn!
Limited periods of success.
He can go good. He can go. What the fuck? Good Hall of Fame.
I say
Yeah,
borderline.
he's Hall of Fame, unfortunately.
Oh, okay.
No, he's
The
he's
only
Hall of Fame.
reason I feel bad for Ben is because he's like the most sacked quarterback in history.
Who's this fucker?
You agree?
I think we need one more tier
he's
that's
probably-
absolute trash.
Marcus Russell.
Hey, Bob Greasy can go in good Hall of Fame too, or
Yeah, just because he has 2 Super Bowl rings.
Boomer can probably go in limited period of success.
Yeah.
Brett Favre.
Oh, ooh, this is a hot take.
Legendary.
No,
Ooh,
I think he's kind of overrated, but that's just
yeah.
Great.
He's great.
If you put Favre in great, I would not be that mad, honestly.
Yeah.
And I'm
No.
pretty sure he is still the leader in all-time
And could be
interception.
limited period of success.
Jamarcus Russell.
Jamarcus Russell.
No,
that
that one the MVP year gets him limited period of success.
Yeah, and the Super Bowl appearance in the same year.
Is that Carson?
Is that Carson Palmer?
Carson's the definition of limited periods of success or borderline Hall of Fame.
No, he is.
honestly.
He is. Nah, he's borderline Hall of Fame. If he would have won 1 championship with the Cardinals, he'd be in Hall of Fame. Though.
Agreed.
Bro. And those Cardinals teams were actually pretty fucking good, those
Bro,
3-year
we
stretch.
had their best
Like,
shot
fuck.
in 2015, bro. It pissed me off.
Oh, Deshaun.
Deshaun's
There's
there,
so
right?
many rapists. There's so many rapists on this side.
Who the fuck is that? Is that Dan Fouts?
Oh, Dan Fouts is Hall of Fame.
Where are we gonna rank Deshaun?
Dan wanted him into Marcus Russell, but it's just because of like the shit he's done in the last like 2 years.
But where should we put him? Limited period of success.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh.
Borderline Hall of Fame. Borderline Hall of Fame. Probably same with Bledsoe, honestly.
He's only remembered because Tom Brady took his job.
Where are we putting Mr. Breeze at?
Legendary. Probably behind Rodgers.
For sure.
It pains me to say this, but Eli is in the back of Hall of Fame.
What?
Hey. What?
Boy, ain't no fucking
No,
way.
Eli
boy.
is going to make the Hall of
Boy,
Fame.
ain't no way, boy.
Not even in
I can
grade.
You're
guarantee
right.
it.
I'm tripping.
No, it's literally like I said, Roy. It pains me to say it. Regular season, he is ass, but those 2 Super Bowls are gonna carry him like fucking no tomorrow.
Okay, he's literally about 105 now.
No disrespect, but I
No
don't even know if this
disrespect,
guy's alive.
but since he's from that era, he's Jamarcus Russell. I'm sorry. Number 12.
I gotta say it, but Jim Kelly is Hall of Fame.
Is that Joe? He's
I
Jamarcus
hope he's
Russell.
doing better actually. Nah, Jamarcus Russell. Did he beat cancer, Duran? Because I hear.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Put my dude Joe in there.
That's Joe,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, Joe Namath. He's probably borderline Hall of Fame.
Don't know how he's in the Hall of Fame, but fucking Roger
Literally.
Craig not. Like,
That makes no sense. His stats
I
are
mean,
ass.
since he's there, we kind of
He's
gotta
only-
put him there.
Joe Theismann, yeah, is good. John Elway is probably legendary or great. Probably legendary. Yeah. Johnny Unitas is legendary just because he revolutionized the forward pass.
Nice. Josh Allen already? What the
Damn. John Marcus Russell.
fuck? This is well, we gotta put him
crazy.
here if this is all time.
Yeah. No, yeah. The young guys, then we could just put limited periods of success.
Yeah, because they still got time, I guess you could say.
I think that's Ken Anderson. You could probably just put him in limited periods of success. He's been to like 1 Super Bowl and lost it to Joe.
Well, then he has to be higher than Allen. Allen's never been there. Number 12 on the Raiders. I don't know who the fuck that is.
Ken Stabler. This is a good one. You could probably put him in front of Eli.
From the
And I'll
Eli.
rank Eli without me? Damn. Hey, why is Dan Marino so fucking low? Y'all
Oh,
will
yeah,
argue.
Dan is legendary. I don't know why we just ranked him like that. Dan, I forgot that. Good point.
I don't
Dan is
remember
probably.
Dan Marino.
Him?
He's probably ahead of. He's probably ahead of Breeze.
I thought you said he was like right with Aaron Rodgers.
Yeah, he is on the.
So he's right next to Aaron Rodgers. Search.
Kurt is probably Hall of Fame.
And from
And,
Lamar Jackson. Limited.
Limited,
Limited. Oh,
but only because he's
ahead
fucking in the
of, he's
league.
ahead of Deshaun. He's ahead of Deshaun because he has an MVP. Who is this guy?
Isn't that Joe?
Ken-
No.
Is it? No.
No, Ken Dawson?
It's Jamarcus Russell, literally.
Nah,
Yeah. Ken?
I get it right.
Yeah. Fucking
I
yeah,
think that's Ken
Matt
Dawson.
Okay, this guy can be in limited.
Mark
periods.
Brunell, yeah, this guy's unlimited. He actually took some success to the Jaguars.
He is not ahead of Josh Allen.
He's probably behind Josh Allen, honestly.
Put Josh Allen above the rapist too. What's going on?
Josh Allen is ass, man. But whatever.
He's better than the rapist.
And debatable.
Put him ahead of Deshaun.
Nah.
If Deshaun is good this year, we can fucking fix this with. Matt Hasselbeck goes in fucking Jamarcus Russell for sure.
Matt Ryan is in borderline Hall of
He's
Fame.
Hall of Fame. No, he's in Hall of Fame because he's in top 10 passing yards and
Okay.
touchdowns. Probably the top of borderline. Probably the top of borderline.
Is that Michael Vick?
Yeah.
Michael Vick?
He's never getting in the Hall of Fame
Alright,
because
so
of the dog
where are we
shit.
putting Mahomes so
Well,
early?
he better not get in the fucking Hall of Fame before
Patty's
Roger
after
Craig.
Joe.
Patty's already better than Joe all time. Damn!
No, after.
I was about to say.
I was gonna say too. I was like, whoa, I'm not smoking that.
If Patty gets the same number of rings, he's done. Peyton goes.
Probably between
Oh fuck! Do we put him ahead of? Do
No, I'm smoking. I think he should be.
we put him behind Patty or ahead of Rodgers, or do we put him ahead of Patty?
Is
Probably ahead of Patty.
Peyton?
Yeah, let's not disrespect
Yeah,
him too
it's
much
Peyton.
because he was so good for so long. No. He goes ahead of
No,
Patty.
Peyton is go. Peyton is going ahead of Patty. He's like, yeah, he's middle. Hold on. Phillip Rivers is go because he has 10 kids now. We have to respect
No.
You got 20, bro. You got 20.
Put him ahead of Matt Ryan.
it. Yeah, probably behind Ken Stabler. That's a good spot.
Yeah.
Phil Simmons is
Phil
Jamarcus
Sims?
Russell.
Dylan goes to Jamarcus Russell. Yes.
He is ass. So overrated. Randall Cunningham is good. Probably borderline Hall of Fame, honestly.
Yeah. I really wish he got a ring or something.
Staubach. He's Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
Actually, Staubach could probably go in great. Low key. Because for his era, he kind of redeveloped the past.
I don't want to fucking rank Russ.
Jamarcus Russell. Jamarcus Russell.
No, bitch. God. No. I want to put him at the end. If we're putting Randall Cunningham, we should put him in borderline Hall of Fame.
Yes, Russell.
Or limited period of success. But I feel like he's been more consistent. He's below Stafford, though.
Flashback Mary.
Borderline. No, bruh. After this last season, everyone's questioning him. And if you're questioning him in the Hall of Fame after one bad
He's the
season,
top of
then he's not
borderline.
fucking Hall of Fame yet. Oh, fuck McNair. R.I.P.
Probably, R.I.P., but probably borderline Hall of Fame.
And maybe end of good / Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He could be the end of good.
Yeah.
Ooh, Steve is probably great. He's probably great. He's probably the third great.
I'm just saying, who's the best 90s quarterback? If anybody fucking say Troy Aikman, I swear to God.
Troy Aikman? Fuck no. What?
God.
No, it's either Steve or Brett Favre. One of those two.
Put him ahead of whoever the fuck else is in great. And put him in the middle of
Oh my
great.
God, Jamarcus Russell.
Jamarcus Russell for sure.
Who the fuck is that?
Teddy
Terry
Bradshaw.
Bradshaw.
Here we go, the goats.
Okay, well this is obvious. We don't even need to talk about this one.
Greatest player ever.
The
Greatest
goats.
player ever. Greatest player ever.
Tony Romo.
Jamarcus
Hey,
Russell.
Jamarcus
Wait.
Russell.
Wait,
What?
Tony Romo goes ahead of Tom Brady.
Yo!
You know what? We can put him ahead of Vic, I think.
Probably, actually.
Is that Aikman?
That's Aikman. Low-key Demarcus Russell. I ain't gonna
That's
lie.
what, bro. His career high is what, 23 TDs? In the
23,
90s?
yeah.
That's
Yeah, you could
That's
probably
like
put
for the
him in
90s?
Russell.
Yeah, thank you.
Bro, don't put that Mark Sanchez on here.
Boy, ain't no fucking
Bro,
way.
what?
Why the fuck is he
Boy, ain't
on
no
here?
way.
This
I
is
don't know,
definitely
Marcus Russell.
Yeah, why is he even on here? It's the best the Jets had was him and Joe Namath. That's
Oh,
sad as
Warren
fuck.
Moon? Warren Moon goes in great.
Yeah,
yeah.
Warren Moon goes
Behind Steve Smith.
Behind Steve. Yeah.
Damn,
This
we
is
already,
really
we already
yeah.
have Patty as the fourth best QB of all time. Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Agreed.
he's already the best. He's
Best
already,
all time.
okay, he's not the greatest, but he's already the best QB in my opinion.
Yes, sir.
He just does so much shit that I'm like, what the fuck?
He's the most talented QB we've ever seen.
Yeah.
Damn. People are gonna be pissed about this one.
Oh,
That's a good
Fuck
topic,
Packers
Roger.
fans.
If he wins a ring with the Jets, he can go behind Patty.